Did you know that people who experience gratitude cope better with stress, recover more quickly from illnesses, and enjoy better physical health? When you think about gratitude, you probably picture saying thank you to a dear friend or doing something nice for your neighbor. However, there is a lesser known form of gratitude that we often miss: gratitude for self. If you want to know what gratitude for self is and how to use it to overcome burnout, stick around because this video is for you. Hey there, I'm Dr. Martínez, creator of the Heart in Mind model. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button for more tips and resources. Gratitude is the quality of being thankful, having the readiness to show appreciation and return kindness to others. If you are a teacher, you may be spending time with students, creating gratitude quills, writing gratitude letters, or maybe sharing a meal. However, there is another form of gratitude, gratitude for self. For many adults, and sometimes youth as well, it is difficult to acknowledge their positive traits or list their strengths without feeling self-conscious. They may fear being perceived as vain or feel uncomfortable when somebody offers an authentic compliment. But being able to identify our strengths is an important expression of self-awareness and a fundamental skill for everyone to develop. If you want to learn more, check out this video where I share how to help young people identify their strengths and areas of growth. Dr. Kristen Neff, self-compassion researcher and author, argues that appreciating other people's goodness while ignoring our own creates a false division between us and them. Showing appreciation for our good qualities is an expression of gratitude for all the people who have shaped us as individuals, like patient caregivers, supporting teachers, or loving friends. Being human means that we experience a wide range of difficult emotions like failure, disappointment, fear, sometimes even complete burnout. When we practice gratitude for ourselves, we take the time to appreciate and recognize the work we do every day and who we are as humans. It is not a selfish exercise, it is a practice that can fill your bucket and prepare you to do the same for others. Try these simple practices. First, identify 3 things that you value about yourself. They can be related to your professional life or to other roles in your life, like being a spouse, a friend, a neighbor. What is the impact of those things in your life and the life of others? Give yourself some credit. Second, acknowledge 3 things that went well each day. Be specific about the choices you made that contributed to a positive outcome. Did you stay calm during a difficult conversation? Or were you motivated and able to finish your work on time so you could spend more time with your family? Third, take a moment to appreciate these things. Notice how you feel when you reflect on your strengths and the things that went well in your life. What comes up for you? Maybe things that seemed difficult become a little lighter, or maybe you created more space and energy to tackle life's challenges. As an extra, decide on one thing that you will do to show yourself some kindness. This can be very simple, like a warm drink, a longer shower, or even just picking up your favorite book. Gratitude starts inside and flourishes through our expressions of kindness towards others. Remember that gratitude also includes gratitude for self. Give these strategies a try and let me know in the comments how it went for you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips and strategies. Until next time, stay well.